Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the chat feature in Zoom. Chat is a useful tool that lets participants send messages during your meeting, making it easier to communicate without interrupting the speaker. So, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Zoom website at zoom.com. Once you are sign into your Zoom account and click on Settings located in the left menu. In the Settings menu, under the Meeting tab, scroll down to find the In-Meeting Basic. Within this section, you will see the option for chat. Simply toggle the switch to enable it, and that's it. Chat will now be active for your meetings. Once enabled, participants will be able to send messages to each other throughout the meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to enable chat in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.